Good morning, grade 6. Our lesson for today is Describe the meaning of probability. Performs experiments and records outcomes. Make listing and diagrams of outcomes and tells the number of favorable outcomes and chances using these listing and diagrams. Probability deals with the measuring or determining the likelihood of an event. It also helps to determine the chances of an outcome or event happening. Certainly to happen has a probability of 100% or surely to happen. Likely to happen has a probability of greater than 50% but less than 100% to happen. Unlikely to happen has a probability of greater than 0% but less than 50% to happen. Impossible to happen has a probability of 0% or it will not happen. To get the probability of an event or an outcome, get the ratio of the number of favorable outcomes over the number of possible outcomes. Example number 1. Tossing a coin 7 times. The table shows the number of times of tossing of coins and the outcome each time the coin was tossed. There are 7 possible outcomes. The number of favorable outcomes of getting heads are 3. So probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes all over number of possible outcomes. That is equal to 3 over 7 is equal to 42 and 8600%. So the probability of getting heads is 42 and 8600% or 3 is to 7. So the probability of getting heads is 3 is to 7 or 42 and 6800%. Its ratio is read as 3 is to 7 and that is equal to 42 and 6800%. Example number 2, tossing 2 coins 10 times. So the table shows the number of times the coin was tossed and the outcome each time the 2 coins tossed. There are 10 possible outcomes. The number of favorable outcomes of getting 2 tails are 2. So we have the probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes all over the number of possible outcomes. So that is equal to 2 over 10 and that is equal to 20%. So the probability of getting 2 tails is 2 is to 10 or 20%. Its ratio is read as 2 is to 10 and that is equal to 20%. That's all for today, class. Until next time, goodbye.